In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Zoom, making sure your application is running smoothly and you have access to all the latest features and security updates. Keeping your Zoom app updated is crucial for both functionality and security, so let's walk through this process together. Start by going to your desktop and locating the Windows key on your keyboard. It's usually found at the lower left side, often resembling a small flag or 4 squares. Give it a click or a press, and you'll see the Start menu pop up on your screen. This menu is your gateway to find and access all applications installed on your computer. With the Start menu open, type the word Zoom into the search bar. As you begin typing, you should see the application appear in the search results. Click on the Zoom icon to open the application. It might take a second or two to load, depending on your system, but once it opens, you'll see the familiar Zoom interface. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Zoom window. You should see a small icon, typically either your profile picture or a placeholder silhouette if you haven't set a custom picture. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu provides access to a variety of options related to your account and app settings. Within this drop-down menu, look for the option that says Check for Updates and click on it. This command tells Zoom to automatically search for any available updates for the software. If there's a new version available, a prompt will appear, giving you the option to install it. If your version is already up to date, you'll receive a message confirming this. If there's an update, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the update is downloaded and installed, Zoom will often require you to relaunch the application, so make sure to allow it to restart if necessary. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully checked for and installed updates for Zoom. Keeping your Zoom client updated ensures you can enjoy the latest features, improved performance, and robust security measures it offers. Remember, regularly updating your apps is a small but vital task in keeping your technology running efficiently and securely. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical tips like these.